Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Unbounce for conversion-focused keyword pages, detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Unbounce for conversion-focused keyword pages, start by navigating to the official Unbounce website. Click on the Sign Up button located in the top right corner of the homepage. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements. After filling out your email and password, click on the Create Account button. You may receive a confirmation email to verify your address. Check your email inbox for a message from Unbounce. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Once your email is confirmed, return to the Unbounce website and log in using your credentials. After logging in, you will be greeted by the main dashboard. Here, you can explore various templates and features tailored for creating landing pages. To start creating a keyword-focused page, click on the Create New button. Select Landing Page from the drop-down menu. You will then be directed to a selection of pre-built templates. Choose a template that aligns with your marketing goals. After selecting a template, you will enter the Page Builder interface. In the Page Builder, customize the elements to fit your brand's style and voice. Make sure to include conversion-focused keywords in your headings and content. Utilize Unbounce drag-and-drop features to rearrange components as needed. Incorporate call-to-action buttons that stand out and drive user engagement. Once your page is complete, click on the Save button to ensure your changes are not lost. Next, preview your landing page to see how it will appear to visitors. Make any necessary adjustments based on your preview. When you are satisfied, click on the Publish button to make your page live. You can now track the performance of your landing page through the Unbounce Analytics dashboard. Using these insights, refine your keyword strategy and improve your conversion rates. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Unbounce and created a conversion-focused keyword page. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.